How to lock desktop icons in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the closest thing to locking desktop icons on Windows 11. It's not perfect, but it's the best option we have got for now. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first, head to your desktop and right click anywhere. So here, once the pop-up menu appears, hover to the view option and this will open up some layout options. Now here are some couple settings you would see, which is align icons to grid. When enabled, your icons will snap to a clean grid layout, and if you uncheck it, you can move icons anywhere, even off grid. Second is auto arrange icon. This is the key settings. When you turn this on, Windows will automatically organize all icons and snap them back even if you try to move them. So even though you can't lock a single icon, this keeps everything in place consistently, which is the closest thing to locking icons for now. And with that, here is a bonus tips. Now here, still under view, there is an option called show desktop icons. So if you ever want a clean desktop look, just uncheck that and all icons will temporarily disable, and you don't have to worry about that, they are not deleted, and that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.